Hello and welcome back to the channel. So this week I want to take you through some new build options. I know a lot of you are asking me about new construction, new builds in DFW under $500,000, and it's definitely more difficult to find, but I think I have found a great community up in McKinney and I want to take you through it. So let's get on into it. Okay, so we are gonna tour two of the different model home options. You've got trophy homes here as well as Meritage Homes. And I actually just had a client go under contract this past weekend with Meritage Homes. Great little floor plan, under $350,000. Yes, you heard that right. I'm gonna show you two of the models here and we're gonna walk through these together. They've got a lot of other elevations, floor plans, lots of different options within this community. So just reach out to me and I'll send you over all the details of when these homes are finishing and all that good stuff. But I have to give you a little disclaimer. The weather has not worked well for me this week. I really wanted to film this video with like blue skies, sunshine, but that has just not happened here in DFW. It's been rather dreary. So you're just gonna have to use your imagination, okay? So hopping on into this tour, I'm gonna give you guys a little audio walkthrough and point out a couple things. But this first home that we're gonna be touring is a trophy home. Trophy has two models in this community, and this one is called the Stanley 2 model, which is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and right at 444 square feet. Now the model home right beside this one that is also trophy is very similar. It's called the Oak floor plan, and it's just a little bit smaller, but still has that 2-story layout. Now, one thing that I really want to draw your attention to here is all the natural light that's coming into this space. You have so much natural light coming into the living room and the dining room and the kitchen, and then you have these beautiful vaulted ceilings that go all the way up and just bring even more natural light into the space and just makes it feel a little bit bigger. Now, off of the living room, you have your primary bedroom. What's really nice is that this is at the back of the house, so you've got that extra level of privacy versus having the primary bedroom in the front of the house. So you can see your neighbors and you can see friends walking up. So you're in the very back here, you're tucked away, which is really nice. And ladies, I do have to call out this closet because you got a lot of space here, and you actually have even more storage at the back of this closet, you know, to store your spring wardrobe versus your winter wardrobe and such, depending on the season. Now off of your family room, you've got a door to your backyard. You've got a nice little covered patio back here. Not too big, not too small. And this yard is a really, really great size. So depending on where you are in this community will dictate how big your lot is. So we will get into all the nitty gritty of that when you're picking your lot, your elevation, and your floor plan. Now coming back inside, I want to take you to the front of the property. We kind of skipped this over, but you've got one full bathroom up here as well as one secondary bedroom. Now they have this set up as an office space as so many people are using these secondary bedrooms as an office, but it's really nice that you have your primary down as well as one secondary bedroom downstairs for the in-laws or as an office space, or, you know, as even a nursery, as one of the kids' rooms. It's really nice to just have at least one extra bedroom downstairs. Now here off the kitchen, you have your walk-in pantry and your laundry room. Now heading upstairs, you've got this nice little game room here. I really envision this being so perfect for kiddos or just an extra entertaining space, or I mean, maybe a movie space, but you have 2 of your other bedrooms up here as well as one full bathroom. model home that I was talking about. This is that oak floor plan. So very similar. It's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and 2,386 square feet. So ideally, whenever you come out and look at these communities, you really want to tour both of these models for Trophy and probably both of the models for Meritage, just so you can kind of see what your options are. And now we're gonna hop over to Meritage so you can kind of see what these look like. This first model here is called the Preston. It's a very similar size to this one here, which is the Olympic. Very similar. I think that first one had 1 extra bathroom and maybe like 4 square feet extra. So very, very similar. So this one is the Olympic though. This is a 4 bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,055 square foot house. I did have a client go under contract this past weekend with Meritage Homes. She bought a 3-bed, 2-bath, 1-story. It was a little over 1,500 square feet, and that was starting at $329. But because it was the end of the year, we were really able to negotiate, and the builders towards the end of the year offer really great incentives because the builders are wanting to offload this inventory, right? They are ready to get this sold. They want a fresh start for 2024. So in my opinion, I think the best time to buy a new build is at the end of the year. You really get some great incentives and you can negotiate a lot more so than you can in the middle of the year. And that's one benefit of having a realtor when you buy these new build properties is we know how to work these contracts and we really know how to negotiate to advocate for you getting a lower monthly payment and you getting a lower price. So use a realtor when you're looking at these new builds. You just have no idea how much we can help you until, you might not be in a great situation with the builder. So, but anyways, back to the tour. The downstairs, you've got 1 primary bedroom, right? And then upstairs, you've got 3 secondary bedrooms. So unlike that first model that we looked at Trophy, you had 2 bedrooms downstairs, the primary and 1 secondary. And then here, you've got the primary downstairs and then 3 secondary bedrooms upstairs. So this HOA is about $780 annually, and that's typically broken out into 12 monthly payments made every single month. But that gets you a basketball court, barbecue grills, playground, pool, splash pad, clubhouse, and a fitness center. And that fitness center is located within this clubhouse, which is really nice. I'm loving this outdoor fire pit. But thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you want to see more information about this community, or if you want to see more tours of new builds on my YouTube channel, let me know. I'm here to please. So thanks so much, guys, and I will see you on the next video.